Alright guys, I decided to start the stream a little bit early here. Maybe we catch some early stragglers. We're going to start with some news today. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, UBS are trading an ETF tied to Polkadot's crypto. This is some big news for Polkadot. As you guys can see, that CoinDesk has reported on this. This is some big news, right guys? By the way, if I'm a little laggy, it's because I'm on a VPN right now, because I do have a special live trade for you guys. I will be showing you that here shortly. We also have some news about Russia. Crypto mining companies are expanding their capacity as the country becomes a preferred hotspot. So obviously, you know, Russia is upping their game on mining. Yo, what's up, dudes? Guys, so I am in a live trade right now. I'm going to show you guys here that in a second. I just wanted to cover just a little bit of news for you guys here today. As I know, I always do just technical analysis, and I only do live trades, and I only do that. I figured I'd throw some news in for you guys today. So like I said before, Goldman Sachs trading a new Polkadot ETF. And also, if you guys are aware, Ethereum broke $2,000 last night. Yep. So, Ethereum making moves. We're going into a really crazy altcoin season here shortly, guys. So, definitely stay tuned, all right? I entered LIT, guys, at $10.97 right here. This is a live trade. I'm on 10x Lev. We're up $30 on the position right now. And we're going to actually go to this chart. I'm going to show and showcase today the SAR script for you guys. This is our script that our bots use. This script has a 97% win rate. As you guys can see, we haven't printed a long signal yet, but that's privy to know. Obviously, we just crossed up here on the STP DMI indicator, which is another STP indicator here that signals as well. Okay, we're also showing regular bullish divergence here, and we're sitting around 44 on the RSI. And as you guys can see, we made this little flag here and had this downslope consolidation. We put in a higher low. All right. This to me looks like we're going to see maybe a reversal here. That's why I took this trade setup, and we're going to see how this plays out. Obviously, guys, this is trading, so there is always risk involved in taking trade setups like this. So always make sure you guys set a stop, and make sure you guys set one above your entry. I'm pretty close to my entry right now, so I'm going to let this go for a bit. But let's see how this runs out, all right? Hey, what's good, brother? You did pretty well on that GRT trade, huh? Excellent, man. Excellent. Great job. So as you guys can see, the hourly is about to cross back into bullish territory here on this asset. And the reason why I chose this asset was because on Live Coin Watch, I saw that this asset had a crazy amount of buying to selling ratio, right? So, you know, on Binance, you're looking at about a 4-to-1 buyer to seller ratio, and all across the board here, looking at more buying than selling happening. So I figured that this asset is probably going to go and appreciate in value if there's more buyers and sellers on the books. So obviously, you want to use that data to as much of your advantage as possible. And so that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I just took a live trade. If you guys are just joining, we're up a few percentage points right now on this trade. We entered around 1097, so right around this area. And you guys can see we might have some trouble here. There is some moving averages pointing down right now. But you know, that's part of what we do here at STP is we try to find value areas. Obviously, we had this big run up, downslope consolidation. It looks like we're putting in a higher low bottom here. All right, so this could be a nice area for a reversal, which is what we are looking at here on the chart. Again, no signal on the SAR script, all right? That doesn't mean that there's no trade here. If we go to like a smaller time scale, I'm sure that there's longs about to come in. As you guys can see, the colors are changing here to the upside on the 5-minute chart, all right? So we just maybe caught the bottom on this. we're going to get confirmation here after this candle closes here. Okay, now if you're interested in this indicator, guys, it is a little bit of an expensive indicator if you're new to trading, and if you're what's it called? If you're trading with a smaller account balance. But this is mostly for our bots that trade. They trade off these signals, and what's cool about this is you can set the RSI filters, so you don't you don't have to worry about your bot taking a trade that's over the RSI or under the RSI a certain amount, so you don't get stuck in a long or stuck in a short in a high risk area. All right. Thoughts on Mandela MDX? I think Mandela. I heard about that token, and I think it's an exchange token. It's probably going to be good, man. Like, guys, we're going into a serious altcoin season, so really any of these low caps are going to be, you know, 10xing, 20xing, maybe 30xing, depending on what they do. So, yeah, it should be good, Bones. Good stuff grabbing that, man. For sure, for sure. So let's do a little bit of TA on this. Since we're here, I'm going to turn off the indicator for just 1 second, and we're going to see, this is on a 5-minute chart, but let's just do some little charting here on the 5-minute, right? Because that's how you're going to see, you know, we're going to see a small move turn maybe to a bigger move, right? So we're coming to the supply line right now. If you draw that downsloping line, you got 1 touch point, 2 touch point, and you're coming up to a 3rd touch point right there, right? And that's maybe the breakout area that we're looking for. And so we're in this downsloping channel right now. And on the 5-minute chart, you can see we had all these MFI buy signals come in. We just crossed bullish. I think we're going to see on this stream, we're going to see a big move on this. You know, maybe a 10 to 15% move up. We could easily get back up to this 1160 area, and that could be an area where we do look to take some profit on this little scalp trade. Okay. Because if we go to the larger time scale, the 15-minute, well, you guys can see that we're starting to show this, you know, this parabola structure that we always draw and always see, right? So we came down, we're putting in a higher low right now. You guys can see that, and we're pivoting here, right? So got the 15-minute buy signal in as well. We didn't catch the bottom exactly at 30 on the RSI, but if you guys are entering trades, you know, looking for that 30 RSI is always a good buying opportunity. So this is kind of where we're at, guys. We're up about 9% on this trade right now. We're going to, once we move up a little bit more, we're going to set the stop a little bit above 11. You know, I don't want to set it too tight right now. I did just enter this trade, so it's no big deal right now. All right. And so we're going to throw back on the SAR script here. Now, as you guys can see, we're not throwing short signals. We're not throwing any signal right now, but it's very possible we can get rejected here. All right, that is part of the risk I am taking while taking this trade. So do note that this is not a confirmed reversal just yet. On the 5-minute chart here, it looks like we might get reversal if we can close above this area here in the next 1 to 1.5 minutes. But really, the reversal comes here at $11.34 when we get above this yellow trend line here. Let me know if the music is too loud, guys. I just started using a new site here called Epidemic Sound, and I really like their tracks. Let me know your guys' feedback in the chat if you guys like it. Guys, you can play your trade however you'd like. I'm not going to tell you when to take profit. Profit is profit. Is ETH crashing? Take a look at ETH. I wouldn't really call this a crash. In fact, I wouldn't even say that. 5-minute chart. ETH looks like it's about to head back up, guys. Just be patient, okay? The buy-sell zone indicator here is indicating a potential continuation to the upside here on the 15-minute chart. Just remain patient, guys. Go to the hourly. Let's see what's going on with this. All right. Well, the hourly, we did put it at the top here. We're still above 50 on the RSI, okay, guys. So if we can hold above these levels on the hourly, You know, that's good. We want to see this bounce up here off the 50 on the RSI. What's my analysis on Chainlink? Yeah, sure, we can cover that. We got this downsloping consolidation. We broke out of it, made a new all-time high. We can't coming back down now right now to maybe make a cup continuation pattern here on the hourly. It looks like, as you guys can see, we're holding above 50 on the RSI, and the stochastics are about to make their way to slowly round out this bottom here. We might do something like this where we round out and make a continuation. Okay. Sucks. How do you trade your ETH? You could trade your ETH on Binance or any of the leverage trading sites, or you could just hold it. I mean, I don't really like to trade my ETH because I don't want to lose it. I'd rather just trade my dollars right now. If I'm going to trade at all. Yep. Rap beats? You guys want rap beats? We could do that. I feel you, bro. 10K probably by April, May. You guys are just joining. We're up 15% on this trade right now. Our SAR signals are about to come in for longs here. We just changed the trend here. We're about to change this trend once we cross above this demand line here, or supply line here, excuse me. If you guys are enjoying the content here at Swing Trade Pros, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and if you're not new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys do that, hit the subscribe button, and tick that little bell, guys. Showing you guys live trades here at Swing Trade Pros. Guys, we have a nice little run up here we're going to see on this asset. Just have to remain patient is all. Remember, patience is everything in trading. Guys, good Good morning, guys. Good morning. When BTC correction? I think around that 65K area, we might get something. Guys, we're going to get lit on this channel today. We are trading the asset lit. Come on, let's get some hype in the chat. Here we go on the breakout, boys. You're just joining. We're up 17.65% on this position. Almost 20% right now. We haven't even flashed a long signal yet on our SAR indicator. We won't flash longs until we cross above $11.31, guys. Yeah, we'll take a look at some of these assets here in a second. ETH looks good. We just covered it before. Soldier was in a 15-minute continuation, hourly continuation. BNB is coming off. I'm calling around that 240 area for BNB. SXP. Let's see. Last I checked, that asset was in the moon. So yeah, hit this 886 fib extension around 378 and pulling back for now. Go to the 4 hour, see what's happening there. Yeah, so nice recovery on this asset. Obviously right now we're making a lower high though. But we could see something like this, like another cup and a continuation on SXP. All right, guys, so this is an area where you see that, if you look left here on the chart, this is some newly manufactured resistance here. I don't think that this is going to be a problem. As you guys saw before, we have plenty of room on that RSI to run up. And we made this higher low here, and we pivoted nicely. And like I said before, we're about to cross bullish here on the 15-minute. Guys, we have plenty of room to the upside on this. And we can take a look at Matic. I've heard good things about what they did. They changed a lot of their strategy, and I guess they're seeing some good benefit in the price action from that, and that's great. We did have a measured move on this though, up to, well, close to this area, this 22-cent area. Now we could see a pullback there, right? Cardano is in a breakout right now, guys. $1.40 area for Cardano. Once it breaks 140 area, you're looking at price discovery for Cardano. So definitely be on the lookout for that breakout. There we go. We're doing good, guys. I did turn off my VPN, so I can't really exit this position right this second. But as you guys can see, we're up 20% on live stream here, guys. We're coming up to a 15-minute resistance area. But I think, guys, I think we're going to break this, no problem. Like the 15 minutes about to cross out. So let's just stay patient in the trade and watch this thing go back to 12 bucks. How about that? As we're about to throw, once we cross above this resistance area, we're about to throw SAR long signals, which means, guys, that we're going to see continuation on this asset. We're up almost $86 on this trade here live for you guys. We're going to set a stop now. We're going to set our stop loss here, guys, so we can't lose money on this trade at around that 11.05 area. All right. And that's it, guys. We officially have a locked-in trade that we cannot lose on. We stopped. We put a stop above our entry. We're guaranteeing ourselves profit on this, guys. And here we go. We're going to the moon, boys. You guys coming? You guys coming for the ride? Smash up those likes. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you guys like the indicators here, make sure you guys check them out. Go to swingtradepros.com right now. Check out the real-time trading indicators. If you want to get all of our real-time updates on trade setups that I post almost daily for you guys, check out the alert service. Come on, guys. Support the channel. Smash the like button up. Hit the subscribe button. We're up almost $140 on this stream. We've been live for, I don't know, man, 20 minutes. Come on. Smash the likes up. Badouche, can you post the Discord link for all the new guys so they can join the movement today? I am currently in a live trade for you guys right now. I set the stop above my entry, guys, so I cannot lose this trade. I intend on watching this trade for a bit, live on air for you guys. Yep, Cardano is making moves. Cardano in a breakout. $1.40 area is the handle change for new all-time highs and price discovery for Cardano. All right, guys, once we close above this line right here, we're going to start throwing longs on the SAR indicator. And if you guys are just joining, you guys might want to just wait for confirmation of that before entering a long position, because we might get a pullback first before we end up proceeding higher. Interesting that the 1 minute hasn't thrown any longs yet. I do think Cardano rises much more than that. I think Cardano can go to anywhere between $4 and $10 on this run. EGLD. EGLD looks like a nice consolidation happening here at these levels. All right, looks like it wicked down to like exactly through my target here. These three targets got hit. Yeah, EGLD looks like we might proceed higher. Okay, on the hourly here. Could be a good area to long EGLD if you guys are looking for a trade. And I could trade this back to the top of the range if you want. EOS. EOS got the breakout of the wedge. We're at the 50% retrace area. This is a major level of resistance. If you guys can break above 542 area, we're looking at 766 as the next fib target for EOS. What is my target for what? Lit? I think we can easily get to 1220 here on this stream in the next hour or two. We got a breakout and a back test. We just entered on around this 1097 area. I think we're going to definitely see continuation on this asset, without a doubt. All right. And I put my money where my mouth is, guys. I have $341 at risk. I'm trying to keep the risk low so I don't go crazy on the stream here. for you guys. But as you guys, it's all about the percentage, guys. All right, it's always all about the percentage gain on a trade. We're up 34%. We're on a 10x lev trade, and that's just what we're doing today for you guys on stream today. All right, guys, I've already made the STP indicator subscription on live stream for you guys. That's how easy this is. $57 a month for the indicators, guys. It's paid for right now. Almost 2 months of it paid for. I've been live for 40 minutes, not even 30 minutes. All right. If you guys are interested in purchasing those, check them out. Swingtradepros.com. Go to shop. Go to real-time trading indicators and sign up today. I will help you guys set them up too if you guys have questions about that. Let's see if the SAR came in here on the longs on the 5 minute. About to, right? We got this 3 bar, we got a back test, and now we're going to get a continuation. Uni, yeah, we can look at Uni. Yeah, Uni looked good. I was actually thinking about playing that earlier today, but yeah, man, breaking the range right now. Huge breakout for Uniswap. We're looking at this 3650 area as the next fib target. And if you break that, well, you're going straight to 56 bucks. Okay, Wes, you can pay in crypto. Yes, just make sure you message me on Mr. Know-It-All in the Discord.
If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love? Are you holding on to my love when push comes to shove? If you leave, I'll fall. Are you holding on to my love?
Guys, I still think this is not a bad place to take a long position because of where we're at in the chart, right? So, even though we're not flashing longs just yet, we're gonna start to flash those here on the shorter time scales here in the next hour probably. All right, maybe on the hourly candle you can. You see, the thing is this hourly candle here is still red, right? So, in my opinion, this is like a doji reversal on the hourly, and on regular candles, it's a bullish engulfing candle. Right, so we've engulfed all these candles here. We might get, and I repeat, we might get this back test here on the hourly, like where we come back down a little bit to back test this $11 area before we continue higher, and that's very possible that happens. And I'll get stopped out of the trade if that does happen, and that's fine. I can always look for a re-entry, okay? As I said before, my entry is around 1097. You guys are just joining the stream, 1097.3. I have a stop set 1105. I can't lose this trade. Yeah, I would be limiting my gains if we do break down here, and that's okay. I'm just trying to not go too tight on the stop. That way I don't get stopped out. I put 1097 because that's the candle body right here. If you guys see that, okay. That song was good. What did you guys think about that song? You guys like that one? Yeah, we can check out Dash, sure. Dash looking great, man. Broke out of my little rubber band parabola structure here. We're right at the 618 fib extension. We pulled back a little bit there on the weekly. I think we're going to see definitely continuation for Dash. Yeah. All right. Let's see, Reef. Not really too much data on this coin. Okay. Go to like a 3-day chart. So here. All right, so the 3-day right now is pointing down. Go to like a 4-hour. That thing. Yeah, I mean, you're using this area right now as support. If you break this area, you're looking at this next area I have outlined here, which is that 3-cent area. And that would be a big move down if we did get that, but this could be an area where you do round out. Okay, it looks like it might try to round out here and continue higher. All right. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to focus a little bit of my attention here on the trade as we are still live in a trade for you guys. And that hourly candle is going to close right now. And here's that back test I was talking about, okay? We got an engulfing candle and now the back test here. When will the bull cycle end, man? Well, when you get a crescendo top, that's when it'll end. And there's super amounts of exuberance in the market, and your friends that never really even heard of crypto are starting to buy crypto. That's when you know it's time to get out. But there's never an issue with taking profits on the way, man. That's the whole thing. All right. This is looking like a nice candle here that we're going to get on the 30-minute. Should see continuation on this candle. You guys see this? We're just consolidating right at the top here. All right. It's kind of looking a little bit like an inverse head and shoulders pattern if you guys are just joining the stream. All right, you guys can kind of see what's happening right here. We got this maybe happening in a right shoulder here, and maybe we get this this breakout. Okay. These songs really suck. Guys, everything is mooning right now. Literally everything. CryptoBubbles.net. What's that? Ah, very cool. Yep. Raven Cake Dodo. Hours. Ah, cool. You guys can see the volume coming in on BNB, Uniswap, XRP, ADA. Dodo coin. See how we're doing here on lit. Yeah, I'm on performance. Yep. Based on volume. There you go. You guys are just joining. We entered Litcoin at 1097 here at the start of the stream. We're up 30% right now in the position. We set our stop at 1105. We're in a free trade right now. Nice, Mr. Ether. Very nice. See if we can break above this supply line here, guys. We're showing a cross up here on the 15-minute time scale. We just need to be patient, guys. We just need to be patient, okay? Four hours and quite a squeeze. And we're squeezing to the upside, looks like. It's always important to look at the macro of the whole trend. Obviously a huge bull flag, right? Down slope consolidation. We got this higher low bounce here, and we came back down. We're making hopefully another higher low here. So I took entry here on this back test. And we're looking to cross back to the upside, okay? We are engulfing the previous candle right now on the 2-hour chart. Very strong sign. We do have an hour left to this candle. And as we know, the hourly, okay, dojied, and is making continuation. We made a bullish engulfing candle to take out these 2-3 previous hours of price action. In my opinion, we are going to break back above this $12 area here in the coming hours. You got a 90-day ban on YouTube? Man, that sucks. Why did that happen? Is Uni a good time to long now? I don't know. I think we've already started the move on Uni. It's up 58%. I would wait for that to back test at least the breakout area, or at least a little bit of a correction back down before you enter a long on that. Okay. You guys are just joining. We are just consolidating right below this supply line right now. We had a little bit, we broke the main supply line, which was this breakout we got, and now we're just kind of resting here. Moon Girl, no, I'm good on the food right now. I could use maybe another coffee or something. I'm pretty tired. Am I feeling GRT? Yeah, we took a GRT trade last night. We have some dudes in the chat that took the trade. Let me show you guys some of the results from last night. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you like the content here at Swing Trade Pros, hit that like button if you guys are liking the content. Join the Discord, it's pinned to the top of the chat. Go to our Profit Gains channel and see what's happening here, man. The legend with the GRT trade setup last night. This gentleman is posting a $400 profit, okay? $400 profit. What does that say? 206% gain on his trade, guys. That is no joke. That is a serious amount of profit. This gentleman is not even a subscriber of the SCP services. Last night, I was chilling in the music channel for you guys, streaming live trades. And here goes lit, guys. We're up 37% live on stream right now. We have our stop set 1105, 1097 entry, guys. We cannot lose this trade. We are in the money, way in the money on this trade right now. HRT USDT, sure, let's take a look at it. HTR. It's on KuCoin. Yeah, this looks good. 4 hour looks nice. You know, descending, broadening wedge pattern. Right angle, descending, broadening wedge pattern here. All right, we're definitely, it looks like we're definitely going to break right out of this. All right. The douche is an admin. Yes, Ace. All right, guys, we're putting in a 15-minute reversal candle here on the SAR indicator. Once we close this above this area, we're going to start getting long signals here on the SAR indicator. We should start showing them here shortly on the 5-minute chart. Once we confirm this break above this area. Remember, guys, we're just sitting here patiently waiting. We're sitting at 64 on the RSI. We are in bullish territory on the 5-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is above 50. We're in bullish territory. What's going to happen next with the lawsuit? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with the lawsuit, honestly, man. I'm sure they'll be fine. They moved all their assets out of the United States anyway. They're no longer trading on Coinbase. You know what, Ace? I'm going to give you admin too, brother. You've been a long-time supporter of STP. You're going to go get the hammer yourself, brother. If you see any spammers in here, man, feel free to mute them. Feel free to kick them out. Guys, we were just consolidating up here. Just sitting up here. LTC, sure. Take a look at it. Looks like we broke back into the parabola structure on LTC. Nice trajectory here on the weekly. We get a candle close above 260 on the weekly, guys. There is not too much resistance up here at all for Litecoin. Probably beating price discovery pretty fast after that. Look at Bitcoin. Yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Honestly, guys, the Bitcoin show, oh wow, almost 60K. Yes, Bitcoin is setting up. Ace, thank you so much for the super chat, brother. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat, Ace. You're the man, brother. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin crossing back up on the hourly, looking very nice. The STP buy-sell zone indicator is signaling continuation. All right, up continuation pattern here on Bitcoin, on regular candles, on H8 candles. Also looking nice. You can see that we got this divergence happening here on the MACD. Yes, guys, if you guys join our Discord, we actually put out our signals for free for you guys. You can see, you literally can come and join the Discord and follow the BTC signals bot and basically take trades off of it, all right? The signals come in usually on every hour, on the hour. You can see that our signals bot has been long since yesterday at 4 a.m. at 51,948. Guys, that's a $6,000 move. You guys took this first long entry on. You guys be lit. Literally be lit. Not to mention our lit trade right here. No pun intended for the lit trade. What can I say about Tezos? Yeah, let's take a look at Tezos. Tezos looks good. Looks like it's consolidating up here. Tezos looking like a nice setup here to the upside as well. About to break out of this triangle. Looking at about 22% measured move to new all-time high, $6.20 target. Is that even a legit head and shoulders pattern? It's an inverse head and shoulders pattern on a really tiny time scale. Okay. As long as we hold these lows, it remains valid. Okay, guys. A rising wedge. No, definitely not a rising wedge. This looks like it's about to go to the moon, man. You could probably take a long trade on this. I mean, it could be drawn a couple different ways. So you can use the top here, this crescendo top, if you want. The 4 hours in bullish territory, sitting around 60 on the RSI. And the 8-hour chart is coming out of negative momentum. We're still in negative momentum right now. I mean, the momentum is looking like it's weaning, but it's not confirmed yet, okay? Good, Ben. Good. See if we start to pop some SAR long signals here on this asset. Nice, Nicola. Just gotta remain patient, guys. Yeah, I'm using a lot less risk on these trades now. Like I said, I've set a stop loss here above my entry, so there's no losing trades once you've entered them. Once I've entered them at this point. Okay, so the 15-minute, we put a yellow candle in. Now let's see if we can get this blue candle here. Is a change of trend on the SAR indicator here, guys. If you're just joining, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. As you guys can see, we are consolidating, down sloping, consolidating right at this other supply line here that I've drawn out for you guys. We haven't flashed any long signals yet on the SAR indicator. However, we do know by looking at the macro on the hourly, uh-oh. All right, so Our SAR right now is showing a short signal. We're going to go ahead and close our long. All right, guys, we're out of the trade now, and maybe we could take a little bit of a short trade here, as we did see that come in. Actually, I gotta get back on a VPN here, guys. Well, I guess the live trade is over for right now. I cannot get back on my VPN right now, so there's that. But we can monitor this, as you guys can see. I did exit the trade right here, as we are printing short signals coming in on the 1 minute time scale. All right. So we did lock in some gains on that trade if you guys were just joining us. We are printing some short signals again. That doesn't mean that we're going to get a major move down. This is a 1 minute time scale. But I will wait again to enter or re-enter a long trade on this. All right. So I'm going to start with a small trade on, okay, for the viewers here. We're going to start with a small short trade on, because we do know that the overall trend is it was a falling wedge type break. All right. We're already in a nice profit here, almost a 2% profit. Let's add a little bit more to this trade. We're following the signal here on the SAR indicator. It went short here about a couple minutes ago. So if you're not familiar, we're obviously we closed our long and went short here on the flip. We're going to target the bottom here of the bands, like this 1083 area. We're already in a nice 4% profit, guys. We're going to set a stop limit on this, a stop limit at 11. You know, right below our entry on a short here, 11.13. Here's the big move down on the short, guys. We're now up 14% on the short position. If you're just joining, we flipped short here on the 1 minute time frame on our signal here from the star script. That's right, guys. We did set our stop loss here at $11.13. We again cannot lose this trade. We're now in a 13% profit. We're gonna move our stop a little lower now to like that 1106 area. I guess we could just close this out too. That's fine. We just made a nice $11 profit on that short, guys. Guys, we're in no trade right now. We just got out of that short in a nice profit. This could be an area where we could look to long it again. We don't have a signal just yet, but if you guys are following the trend or the pattern here, this could be another higher low, and we could be rounding out that bottom, right? We're going to go back to the perp chart because I'm actually trading on the perp. So we are showing, again, buy signals here on the 1 minute time scale. $15-minute is coming in on a short. I do like coming back in for a long here, honestly. Contrary to what the indicator is saying. Because if we might want to wait for a confirmation on a higher low first, though. Yeah. I mean, we're still throwing shorts here, but this is on a 1 minute or 2 minute time scale. I'm going to wait to enter another position here for some sort of confirmation. Alright, we're confirming another short signal here. Alright, well maybe we should just re-enter another short on this. We're going to do another short position here. Maybe enter it because Bear with me here for a second, guys. Guys, we're gonna look to short this all the way back down to the support here. If this continues to make these lower highs, right? The bull run over? No, man, the bull run is not over. Our 15-minute SAR indicator is short right now. You guys are just joining us. We're printing shorts here on the smaller time scales as well. RTL, I went short up here when I started getting these 1 minute sell signals. I closed my long up here. We didn't actually get a confirmed long signal from the indicator. However, obviously, I did see that this was trending up when I did enter the stream. And as you guys can see right now, we're back in a nice profit here, around 3% profit on this short. GRT, yep. Take a look at it. Yep, coming up to the resistance area up here. Once you break that, we're looking at about a 60% move to $3.67. All right, yeah, this short may not play out because we're making a higher low right now. I don't really want to continue to hold the short position if we're going to make higher lows. So I'm probably going to exit this trade here in just 1 second. The 1 minute chart is looking like towards the bottom of the green band area here, potentially a reversal. Okay, but we're going to exit this. Obviously, this we were in a profit for a little bit. We did have a stop. I don't know why. What happened to my stop there? That's weird. Well, we're gonna actually just stay in this short for a bit longer because we are still printing a short signal here on the 15 minute, and we're gonna go by that for right now, as that's how we entered this trade. We took this trade on. But this does look like we're making a higher low on the RSI, which would be indicative of this higher low we're making up here. We're gonna just go by the SAR indicator right now, okay guys? So this isn't indicating a long right now, by any means. But the shorter time scale could flip long, okay? We did get this partial decline here to break out. So we gotta keep a close eye on this. Yeah, I'm thinking to close this actually. Guys, we're just gonna cut this this short here, as I think that this is going to make a reversal here. So that was a $20 loss, no big deal. We made over $120 before. Well, let's just trade the 1 minute time scale. I think that that's going to be our best bet right now. And we're no longer flashing shorts. We're going to get back into a long. We just entered a long, re-entered a long position around 11.098. Guys, there is a possibility that we make a lower high here, alright? Because the 15 minute is still indicating more downside. And we didn't signal long just yet either. Alright. Yeah, Cardano is breaking out, guys. Maybe I should have just stayed in that short. As these indicators are pretty accurate, especially on the longer time scales. Flashing shorts again. That's why it's really important to not flip in and out of trades, guys. This is looking like it's going to break down further. Cutting this trade, guys, once again. This I should have literally just stayed in the short position, because it back tested that area, right? And it's gonna come all the way back down now. So I just blew a bunch of profit, guys. You're seeing it live on stream. That happened. But we're just gonna stay in this short, guys, for now. All right. It's just really that simple. Let's just continue to use the indicator to our advantage here. And we'll look to get out around this 1060 area, 1066, 1067 area. We're just going to remain patient. So I'm going to set a limit take profit at 1068 for the entire position. And we're going to be buying longs there, right? So to close it. And you guys can see that the positive momentum is weaning here on the hourly. All right, so we could get a bigger move down. Actually, we could go down all the way to this $10.12 area if this is actually the rejection. All right, I know before we were looking bullish because we had this big bullish engulfing candle. I mean, this could just be a back test candle. That's also possible, but we're still throwing shorts right now, guys. Still throwing shorts. Guys, there is an important chart I want you guys to look at here, and this is published by another STP member here, STP partner. This is the market cycle chart, and right now we're looking at potentially a market, maybe a dip or correction possibly on the altcoin market. The USDT Tether is looking like we might be diverging, right? We might be making a higher low here and lower highs on the market, right? So we could get a little bit of a pullback. Wow. I'm getting totally walloped right now on this board. It's at like a critical spot, man. I mean, this could end up rejecting, all right? Yeah, I mean, the 5 minute does look pretty bullish. Is Ichimoku Cloud good? I think Ichimoku Cloud is pretty good. I don't personally use it, but it's pretty good. Yeah, I probably should have just kept along, yep. But no real signal on it, right? So what's CRO? Is that another one? This thing's already in the moon. I just covered CRO, man. I mean, what do you want to see here? You're at a resistance area here on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean the hourly is still hanging on to this 50 on the RSI, and the Stokes are about to cross back up. Let's go to the lit USDT chart real quick. Yeah, it'll probably get rounding out a bottom there for sure. I mean, yeah, this is this rounding out action that we're seeing. Yeah, I'm not liking this right now. I need short here. So Oh, that sucks. We just gave back most of our profit on that. Well, we've confirmed a higher low, guys, so we're probably going to break this range now. 1138 target. Yeah, I'm going to go back to using the buy-sell zone indicator. Personally, I'm a fan of using this for manual trading. The SAR indicator is mostly for bots and bot trading, and I probably didn't have that configured properly for manual trades. So there's that. ASM. Yeah, Kusama is one of those going to do pretty well. So next, real fib extension here for Kusama is this 247 area. Once you break that, you're looking at about 306 and on up to 400 bucks once you break those levels. Yep, covered it, Vidoosh. Consolidating up here, Kusama. Kusama looking pretty bullish as well. 4-hour sticks pointed up. Coiling on the RSI here on the 4-hour. Thoughts on BTC? Oh, you know what it is? It's because I'm on the normal airing, yeah. And that's how it goes, right? Get out of the trade, it dumps. That's how it goes, guys, yep. But this is still technically a higher low, all right? Even though we're going down a bit right here, as long as we're holding above these lows, and if we're making a round, we're rounding out here. Why did I choose lit? Because well, I was originally in a long position before, and look at the buying to selling. Okay, I mean right now it's changed a bit. But there is more buying than selling on this asset, on the liquidity pool, or the liquidity here. All right. Overall, there's more buying than selling. Right, more buyers here than sellers here. Way more buyers here than sellers here. Yeah, on the USDT pairing, there's I guess more selling right now happening. Btc Double Topping. Look at that. Yeah, this could be a local double top on the 5-minute chart. But we do have an hourly continuation that came in, so you know, it's not confirmed just yet on the hourly time scale. The smaller time scale might have confirmed that. We checked XTZ, man. Yep, we checked it. It's in this pennant right now. Could also go to the downside. All right, because we are here up the red bands, but we're making higher lows. So that it could break either direction, but following the trend probably breaks to the upside. All right. Hey, Nicola, no problem, man. I don't know what's going on with my internet today. It's like messed up. I mean, the poker markets are going to be good, strong for sure. Can't really be bearish on that stuff. It's a new project, a new ecosystem coming into the space. You know, DeFi is really big right now. I'm just looking at the larger time scale here. I just want to see on lit. I'm going to go to the regular chart. There's more data on it. Interesting. But this is still technically a back test right now happening. But yeah, it looks like it's dropping right now. And we might actually drop to this support at 1050. So we are getting close to the support, which means we could look for maybe a long opportunity. We'll see how this ends up panning out. Right now, our candles are yellow on the buy-sell zone, which means continued movement down, but we are approaching this green band territory, guys. No, I am not in a long right now. In fact, our STP buy sell zone indicator is indicating further downside with the candles being yellow like this. Okay. I still think we get close to this 1060 area, possibly. All right. I guess we're gonna find out how this goes. We got yellow candles here on the hourly on regular candles as well. So if we break these lows, you know, we could see a move down, you know, maybe towards the bottom here if we do break these lows. Mark these on off on the chart. Below VWAP, so test 1090.11. Yeah, it could test that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and see what it's doing right now. I know before it looked pretty bullish, but I covered also the market cycle chart for you guys, and we were making you know, lower highs and with Tether diverging on the bottom, right? So this could indicate we get maybe a little bit of a correction, right? So like, I guess staying in a short position here is probably okay because, well, we're crossing down here on the hourly. Now we're starting to make this negative momentum. And our buy sell zone indicator is yellow right now. MACD is also bearish. We're below zero on the MACD here, and we have this bearish divergence coming in. Check ETH. Yep, sure. No, I'm not talking about an ETH trade. Nope. But this could be potentially a good short spot. I mean, we're at the top of the red band area here. We're overbought. We're showing some divergence. Okay, we could see a move down. It's possible. The momentum is like leaning off here a little bit as well. We're getting some rejection up here. It's not confirmed. We haven't broken these lows just yet. We did get a bullish engulfing candle like last night, and we're just consolidating. We did touch the 1618 fib extension perfectly before pulling back a little bit. I don't know. I don't know if I'd be shorting this actually. This still looks okay to me. And you know what? You know what we do have going for us, guys, is the ETH BTC chart. The ETH BTC chart is about to put in a monthly candle reversal, all right, on the SCP buy sell zone. So this means right here, if we confirm 8 days, we maintain this price action, we're going to confirm a monthly reversal for ETH BTC. All right, so this is, in my opinion, this is still really bullish for Ethereum versus Bitcoin right now. Okay. We are now in bearish territory here on the RSI on the 15-minute for lit. Still bullish on ETH long or not? I don't know about an entry here, man. Maybe wait for a bit of a pullback in the market to confirm that. You know, like you hate to buy the top. You know, don't be buying tops. Buy on a nice red day, not on a super bullish day or super green day. What I'd recommend. Don't always have to push yourself into a trade either, guys. Remember that. Trading is a lot of patience, okay? A lot of waiting, a lot of patience. Waiting on confirmations. Ah, that's good then. Then you're good. I believe ETH and BTC are linked. Yeah, they definitely are linked, for sure. There's definitely a relationship between them. See if we break these lows, guys, on lit. Our STP buy sell zone indicator is indicating a move down, continuation down right now. Let's see if we get the move and break down here, down to this 1054 area. So 1067 area is this support on the 15-minute. Breakouts is not linked. I don't know what you mean by that. Breakout just means you break a trading range. certainly can if we put a bottom in here. I'm actually looking for that. See if we can confirm this low. If we confirm this low, then we can continue out, okay? Because we're showing that divergence right now. In fact, it's going into a 15-minute squeeze. So you could, in theory, maybe take a small long, try to go for a small long position here. All right, I do see that we are forming this right now. So I might take a stab at a long here for you guys. Well, I think I'm just going to re-enter a trade here, a long trade here. I did have a couple shorts that didn't go. I mean, if I just stayed in them, they would have been fine. I just kind of panicked. I got a not a panic sell, but I got stopped out up here when I entered, and I got a little bit of a late entry on them. But this long down here could be good. We're showing a little bit of a sign of maybe a push up here. We can get back to the top of this range, maybe 1120 area. Well, this candle looks pretty good. Looks like you can see the selling kind of weaning, right? The yellow candles are becoming less and less here. We could go for a small scalp trade here. Trying to round out a bottom, right? Yeah, I think that this is maybe a good spot to go for a quick long, maybe on up to the top of the supply line, 1120 area. We get a nice little move up. Starting to take form now for sure. And we are towards the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We are still technically making higher lows than these lows for now. We're awfully close to this support, so if we do get a spring, it could be here. And we're going into a bit of a squeeze. And we're sort of kind of on the lower end of the band here, the EMI band. So you could, look to sell towards the top of the band if we do get it, right? Total 2? How's the total 2 looking? Total 2 looks good on the monthly. Nice bullish engulfing candle. Weekly still looking really good. I mean, we're still making higher levels of positive momentum, higher than these levels, so there's no divergence here on the momentum. There is, we are overbought territory right now, of course. I'm just giving overall general direction on the total 2 market cap. Yep. I mean, you can go to like a 4 hour if you want. 4 hour looking still pretty good. Total 2 looks bullish, man. If you guys are enjoying the content here at Swing Trade Pros, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in the buy-sell zone indicator and all the indicators here at Swing Trade Pros, make sure you guys go to the website, swingtradepros.com. Check out our shop. Check out the real-time trading indicators. If you guys want a free 7-day trial, you can get one if you go to our Discord. And you can go to the STP free trial area here. Let me show you guys on stream where to go for the free trial. Once you join the Discord, all right, you're going to see STP services. When you join the Discord, you're going to want to go to STP trial and type invite and then your TradingView username. And you'll get access to the STP buy sell zone or the STP buy sell signal indicator. Yeah, we are still below the VWAP. Yep. But this area could act as support, right? Looking left, this is an area where we got this rally. Now we're back testing it. Although this candle on the 4-hour looks like a big rejection candle. But if we had stayed in that short, guys, we would have been up a lot right now. We got stopped out up here when it back tested this 1120 area. YFI. I mean, it's holding this demand line nicely. Yeah, so lit looks like it's gonna come down to that area where we said before, that 1066 area, and we're there now. So if you were in a short, this is probably a good place to take a profit, okay? Well, alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the stream today, make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, if you're not new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. We will catch you guys tomorrow for the 7 p.m. Eastern live stream for the Bitcoin daily and weekly candle close. We'll see you guys then. You guys have a wonderful Saturday. Catch you guys tomorrow.